Hello friends, good evening, namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to another session with the Pauranika or the Indian storyteller, the epic storyteller. So my friends, last day we had taken up a story from the Ramayana and we had talked about what friendship is all about, how Lord Ram displayed his friendship, his strong friendship with the so-called lowest of creatures like the monkeys, okay, and the people of the forests. So today we will listen to another story which again details about friendship and loyalty. So friends, when we have somebody who loves us very much and is loyal to us, we say that we should also be loyal to them, right? All of you have heard this, be loyal to your friends. But what if the person who is loyal to you is not very powerful or not very rich, neither is he very famous? Would you still be loyal to him? Maybe yes, why not? But there are also instances in society where we see that once somebody does us some good, after that sometimes we tend to forget that person. Okay. So, but the Ramayana abounds with such brilliant stories which tells of all the great human qualities that a person should have. Okay. And Bhagwan Ram, Lord Rama, is the epitome of those great qualities. So today we will listen to a story of a squirrel who had helped Lord Rama in building a bridge. So the story goes to that time when Mother Sita, Lord Rama's wife, was kidnapped by Ravana, the Rakshasa king or the demon king dwelling in Lanka, what is today called as Sri Lanka. Okay. So as you know, or you may know, okay, there's a vast ocean between the southern tip of India, which is today called as Ramnad, okay, or Dhanushkoti. It's the extreme end of India, and across the ocean is Sri Lanka. So Lord Rama wanted to cross over into Sri Lanka with his army of bears and monkeys who were extremely strong and valiant. They could lift trees, they could lift mountains, and they started building a bridge across the ocean. So these Vanaras, they're mighty people. Some of them are going and breaking down big rocks and putting on the ocean. And the rocks are floating as if it's causing a pathway for the bridge to be built across. Okay. But when all these activities was going on, then suddenly somebody sees that a small squirrel is running around here, there, and he's picking up little bits of dust, okay, little bits of sand and putting in the bridge. So the monkey started looking at the squirrel and started laughing at him. Hey, what is this guy? Small squirrel is picking up few sands and putting here. Okay, so they started making fun of him. But Rama was very compassionate. He never forgot even the little bit of good anybody had done to him. He never forgot that. And he in fact always forgave the bad that people tended to do to him. So in this situation, Lord Ram noticed the little squirrel, and he called the squirrel and said, "My friend, I thank you so much. You love me so much that you're doing this thing which is probably so much of work for you, but you have given up all your own time, your energy, and you're spending it for me. Oh my friend, how can I ever thank you?" And you know what he did? He took him up on his hand like this and told the Vanaras, "Look, you're also mighty, you're also strong, but look at this little fellow. Look at him. This is all he can do, and yet he is doing more than what he can do for me. Never make fun of anybody like this. Be thankful to him, be respectful to him." And Lord Ram, put his fingers, lotus-like fingers, on the back of the squirrel. He patted him like this. And the story goes that the squirrel still has, you've seen a squirrel, right? There's these long stripes. The story goes that those are the touch, because of the touch of Lord Rama. That it has always carried it as a sign of gratitude and friendship. Okay. So my friends, you see how important it is to be loyal to somebody, and how more important it is to return that loyalty with love, thanks and gratitude at all times. Thank you so much. We will again come back. Hope you have liked this story. we will again come back with a new story shortly. Till then, stay on, connect with me, Pauranika. Thank you. Namaste.